Water Access Locator helps citizens and visitors locate boat ramps, marinas, and fishing sites in the state. It is a configurable JavaScript application, which is typically deployed by Fish and Wildlife and natural resources organizations to provide the public with 24-hour access to water access information, which can be viewed on desktop computers as well as tablet and smartphone devices. As a user of the app, I can search for water access locations that meet my specific needs in a number of ways. First, I can either drop a pin on the map or enter an address and then specify a buffer distance within which I want to search. In this case, I want to find water access locations that are within 10 miles of my home address. In this example, there are 6 water access locations within 10 miles, and they're listed based on proximity. The application automatically highlights and routes me to the nearest one, which in this case is Shelby Park. I can see additional information about the park here in the carousel, such as its operational days and hours, as well as what amenities or services are available. I can also view directions from the address that I searched to the water access location, any photos that have been provided here in the gallery, as well as any comments that have been submitted about it, so I can get a sense of what previous visitors have thought. If it looks like this location will meet my needs, I can add it to my list here in the application, so I can come back and refer to it later if needed. If I have a specific location in mind for which I'd like to learn more information, I can simply search using its name. Then I can view detailed information about this location in the carousel. Finally, I can also search for water access locations based on the activities I'd like to do. If I search using the Activity tab, I can specify which services or activities I want to have available, and I'll be presented with a list of only the locations that meet those specifications. So by using the app, I was able to discover water access locations based both on where they're located and on the services and activities available, and I was able to use that information to help plan my trip accordingly. For more information and to configure the water access locator for your organization, please visit the Solutions site.